Today we take a winter walk through the Wirrawilla Rainforest, a place where time slows and the forest breathes around you. The air is cool and fresh, touched with the faint scent of damp earth and ancient leaves. A light mist lingers, weaving through the tree trunks like quiet spirits of the past. This is a place of stillness, but also of life, a place where every step is an invitation to notice more. The Wirrawilla Rainforest sits in the Toolangi State Forest of Victoria, a sanctuary of cool-temperate rainforest. The boardwalk beneath your feet is designed to protect the delicate forest floor, allowing you to drift quietly through without disturbing the life that thrives here. Look around, the trees here are giants of their kind. Myrtle beech, with their gnarled roots and moss-covered bark, have stood for centuries sheltering the world beneath them. Every fern, every lichen, every small plant plays a role in the web of life. Close your eyes for a moment. Hear the steady drip of water from leaf to leaf. The quiet rush of a hidden creek. The occasional rustle of a bird moving through the undergrowth. In winter, the forest is calmer but not silent. You might hear the distant call of a superb lyrebird, an extraordinary mimic capable of copying the songs of other birds, the sound of camera shutters, even chainsaws. In these months, they forage among the damp leaf litter for insects and worms. The forest floor is carpeted with soft moss, breaking down fallen branches into rich soil. Tree ferns stand like sentinels, some older than you might imagine, perhaps hundreds of years. Their fronds unfurl in perfect spirals, catching the winter light. Up high, branches are draped with epiphytic mosses and lichens, creating miniature forests of their own. They collect moisture from the air, creating habitats for tiny creatures invisible to the casual glance. Though shy, the rainforest is home to an array of creatures. Crimson rosellas flash like flying embers through the canopy. Eastern yellow robins perch quietly on low branches, watching for movement on the forest floor. If you're lucky, you may glimpse a swamp wallaby moving cautiously among the shadows. The undergrowth also hides smaller wonders, skinks basking on fallen logs, and the delicate glowworms that reveal themselves on the darkest nights, tiny lanterns in the moss. Winter transforms the Wirrawilla Rainforest into something even more ethereal. Breath hangs in the air like smoke. The cold brings out the rich, deep greens of the foliage. Every drop of water glistens, holding on to the light as if it were a precious gem. Here you can feel the heartbeat of the land, slow, steady, ancient. It's a reminder that this forest has been here long before us, and with care it will be here long after. The walk crosses small creeks and trickling streams, their waters stained tea-brown from the tannins of fallen leaves. These waterways are lifelines, carrying nutrients and keeping the soil moist. Frogs hide among the reeds and mossy banks. The southern brown tree frog may call softly in the distance, its gentle chirp almost blending into the sound of moving water. As the walk draws to a close, take one last look at the tall myrtle beeches and the sweeping tree ferns. Let the stillness settle into you, carrying it with you beyond the forest's edge. The Wirrawilla Rainforest is not just a place to visit, it's a place to return to in your mind when the world feels too fast. In its winter cloak, it offers something rare, a deep, quiet beauty that speaks without words. Thank you for walking here today. May the peace of this forest walk with you wherever you go.